Hey everybody, so I just wanted to quickly share another winter activity that I'm doing with my kiddos this week. So this is an original idea from Drew Burris. You can find him on Twitter at Project PhysEd, and this is my twist on it. So we're gonna call this game Holiday Light Fight, and what you need are some teams with a dice for each team, and then each team needs 6 of the rainbow cones across from where they start. So this game is pretty simple. So what they're going to do is they're going to simply roll the dice, and whatever number they roll, the number corresponds with that color cone. So when the game starts, all the cones are going to be off. So the lights are going to be off. So I just turn the cones over. And when they roll the dice, they're going to match it up with the color. If that cone is off, they're going to turn it on by just flipping it up, and then they return to their home. Then the next person in line does the same thing. They roll the dice, and whatever number it matches up with, they either turn on or off the cone. So it starts out pretty easy because all the lights are off, so the students can simply turn them on, but it very quickly gets frustrating and a little bit more difficult because if you roll a number and the light is already on, you have to turn it back off. So this can continue until all 6 lights are on, and then you can have the students simply start the game over. So Holiday Light Fight is my little twist on Drew Burris's game. This has been a very popular one that I've seen going around Twitter and Facebook lately, so I wanted to try it out. And I hope that you get to try it out with your kiddos this season. So I'll have a quick little demonstration of a class doing it at the very end of this video. Thanks for supporting. If you like these videos, make sure you subscribe to PE School for more updates and content. Hope you have a good one. Thank you. So for this demonstration, the students were in pretty small groups of 2 or 3, and just a couple modifications that you can do depending on your class size or the age of your class. If the students are waiting in line, you can certainly have them doing some type of movement or a skill such as tossing a scarf or doing jumping jacks until it's their turn to roll the dice. When they roll the dice, I always like to have the projector on showing what numbers correspond to what light or cone. And when the groups finish putting all the lights up, if they're able to do it, I just have them turn them back off and put the cones down to start another game until we are done with the activity. So Holiday Light Fight can be done with small groups or large groups. As long as you have enough cones, it's a really fun game during the holiday season. Thanks for watching.